Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I created these easy acrylic nails, perfect for beginners. So I created these nails using the Makartt dip powder system. It's finely milled acrylic. So if you do not like monomer, you can use this and create some awesome nails. So on the back, it tells you everything that's included in the kit and also instructions on how to use it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So you get the step 1, which is the nail prep. Step 2 is the soak off base coat. Step 3 is the activator. Step 4 is the top coat. And step 5 is your brush saver. So these are the colors of the acrylic. We have natural clear, natural pink clear, signature color, which is the white acrylic, a pink acrylic, and blue. And I also picked up this French dip container, and this allows you to create a nice French smile line. So on the back, it does tell you how to use it, and this is a picture of how, your nail should come out. So it does look like a pencil sharpener to me. It does have a felt bottom so it doesn't slide all around your table. And you just load your dipping powder in there, and that's how you're able to create your French tip. So I also picked up some gel polishes, and this is a 6-piece set. So these are the colors. They are so cute and bright, and they're very pastel, which is perfect for, summer. So my nail polish collection is getting out of hand, so I picked up some storage. This is a 48 count polish holder. It's very sturdy and made of great quality plastic. I also have this 36 count bottle holder, and it comes with a large compartment for brushes or files or whatever. So I've already done my nail prep, and now I'm going to be applying these tips. So this is after all the nail tips are on and filed and blended into my nail. So now I'm applying step 1, which is the nail prep, and I'm just going to apply that to my natural nail. Next, I'm going in with that soak off base coat, and I'm going to carefully apply this to the nail, making sure to not get it on any of the skin or anything like that. And then I'm pouring the natural pink clear powder over it. And then you want to wait for that to dry. So while I'm doing that, I'm just going to move to the next finger, and I'm just going to repeat this for all of the nails. Alright, so for my pinky, I'll be doing the French tip. So I'm going to apply another coat of the base coat, and I'm going to use that French dip container to create my French tip. I just poured the white powder into this and used it as you see here. So I am going to do another coat of the white on the tip, and I'm just going to repeat what I just did. Alright, so I did end up putting a second coat of the natural pink on all of the nails and waited for that to dry. So now I'm going in with the final coat, and this is the clear. So with this dipping system, I do find that you want to wait after applying your coat and sprinkling on your powder. You want to wait until it dries before you continue to build up. And you just want to build up the nail. I ended up using 3 layers, but you can use as many layers as you need to build the nail up. So after that, I'm going in with step 3, and this is the activator, and this is what hardens the acrylic and makes your nail sturdy. So you just want to apply this and wait 30 seconds, and then you can do your shaping and filing. All right, so now you can go ahead and file. So I'm just going to use my hand file to go ahead and smooth out the nails. And this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. So I'm going in with this pastel green color, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my middle finger and my thumbnail. And I'm also going to do a very slight line on the French tip. So this is after the second coat of the gel polish, and I'm just going to go on and apply my bling. I'm applying a medium-sized bead of clear acrylic, and I'm using that to adhere these large stones. And then I decided that I wanted to add some lines to my index fingernail, kind of like a outline French. So after applying that and cleaning up around the nail, I went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp. So now it's top coat time. I didn't use the top coat that came with the dipping kit because that is not a gel top coat. And since I used gel polish, I wanted to go ahead and just use my usual gel top coat. So after curing in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, this is the finished look. Just a very cute and simple and easy acrylic nail set. Don't forget to check out Makartt. I will leave links down below to all the items that I used. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick nail tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.